All right, welcome friends. So what I would like to show you today is how to get into Teams, a couple basics within Teams, how to get into Storyline Online, and how to get into Dreambox. So on your child's desktop, there'll be different apps, but you are looking for the Microsoft Teams app. This is what we're going to use every day in our class. So go ahead and find that app. It looks like this, and click on it. When it opens up, your child will likely have some different teams up here. They'll be different than mine, but they should have a few different ones. This one right here, McBride class second grade DL being distance learning. This is the primary team we're going to use this year. If you would like to hide the other team so that your child doesn't get confused, you're welcome to do so. You'll go ahead and click on the three dots next to a team you want to hide, and you press hide. Then suddenly it disappears from the top. And down here, hidden teams, it is sitting down in this section now. So if you need to get it back, you do the same thing in reverse, click the three dots, press show, and it will pop back up to the top. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click into our main team. And it's gonna look something like this when you get in. So you see my good morning, my first post here, and this is the daily morning meeting that's been scheduled for every day. If you look at the very top, this is really important. So this is our general channel or our main page, and this posts is what it's going to automatically open to, which is where the kids are going to be posting each day. So you can see where I made this first day post, and if the kids want to reply to that, they should not go down to the bottom and start a new conversation. Instead, what they should do is right underneath the post that I have made, they find that reply button. You press reply, you type in what you want to say, and then over on the right-hand side, you press this little arrow and it will pop up with the reply. Next, I want to show you, so back along the top bar, next to posts is files. Later in the year, I might have you use this. For right now, go ahead and ignore this. Class notebook I'll be teaching you about later. We're just going to skip all the way over to virtual classroom. So every single week I'm going to upload a virtual classroom and it should say the week. So week 1 pops up and this is what it looks like. Here is our online classroom. Down here you can see the dates for the week to make sure it's the correct week. Go ahead and scroll down. You'll see that we have a little reading page with Storyline Online, which we're going to be looking at in a moment. You can scroll down, you see our math page, we see our math tasks for the week over here, and I have our science tasks for the week. I'm going to go ahead and go back up to Storyline Online because this is the first app the kids are going to be using. So in the virtual classroom, right here it says check out Storyline Online by clicking below. The kids can actually click right on this and it's a link that takes them to the website. So Storyline Online should pop up and boom, now they're in. Hopefully what's popping up for them is Google Chrome and they can go ahead and type in the name of a book or author that interests them, or they can explore right on this page. I'm gonna go ahead and click out of this and go back to our virtual team. So if I keep scrolling down to math, we have on Thursday it says find the Dreambox picture in the bookshelf, log into Dreambox and complete 30 minutes. And then Friday your child will be getting on Dreambox and completing 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and practice logging into Dreambox. Okay, for Dreambox, we're going to go ahead and click on the picture here and it pops Dreambox up. This is the Washoe County School District login. And what we need to do is we're going to press sign in. When your child presses sign in, it looks a little different on my screen than on theirs. For mine, I believe it's going to automatically log me in, but for your child, it will take them to something that looks somewhat like this, maybe not exactly. The top one says email address. This is not the parent's email address. What you need to do here is you need to type in your child's ID number, whatever that is. It's the number they use to get on the laptop. So you're going to put in their ID number at washowschools.org. That .org is important. All the teachers have a different one, but .org is for the students. And then the password is going to be the same password they use to get on the computer. So whatever that password is. And then go ahead and say, keep my student logged in. That's going to be really important. Then you press login. If a second page pops up and asks you to log in again, most likely what it's done is it's opened up a new tab, and you can see that the Dreambox tab with that D there is still open. Go ahead and click back on Dreambox and your child should be logged in and able to play the games. There you go.